What's up? So today I'm showing you the white screen of death, how to fix that. So basically when you're settings, so basically what that means is that let's say you guys go to your settings, right? And then it just shows that white screen. It's not load up your settings, you respring your device and it's still not working, right? And you watch some videos and the videos are saying, you have to restore, you have to, delete all your data, you have to blah, blah, blah. So don't do any of that, guys. That should be a last resort option. Always, like, deleting all your data and all that stuff, especially if you have a jailbreak. So first, I'm going to show you guys basically what will cause this issue, and then how to fix it, and you guys don't have to give her any data, no restore, nothing like that. It's really simple and easy. So, basically, I found this out myself, how to get, how to fix it. So the temporary fix around this is that you basically want to turn your device off and turn it back on. Okay, but let's first get with basically what caused this. So basically the two things mainly that caused this glitch or error is basically a jailbreak and updating. So I never had this issue before. I think two things like trigger this, this glitch or this, this error. So basically an update came on my phone. So if you use uncover jailbreak, just make sure you guys put in like, block updates, right? And uncover settings. But if you guys use check rain, then it doesn't block the OTA updates. So I just got an update to upgrade to iOS 14. And then, I pressed like, later. And then I pressed like, remind me again later or whatever. So, I went to update it. And, that's basically when I went to here. And then in a sense works fine, okay? So basically what caused that glitch was that after that happened, I went over to general. And I went to phone storage. And that's when it caused it. So basically phone storage will load forever, right? It just like will not load. You see right now it loaded like, it loaded down here, but it would just keep loading, right? And then you actually just close it out, settings, and then go back into settings, and then it's gonna be that white screen. So that's basically how it happened to me. So the temporary fix, just turn off your device, turn it back on, right? So basically why it happened was just because of you have a jailbreak, you're trying to update, and update failed, you're not updating, and I guess, with the jailbreak, that's basically what caused it. If you don't have a jailbreak, it's still possible, but it's just more likely if you have a jailbreak and you're trying to update, or whatever it is. So, it might happen to you. So if you guys right now go to your settings, go to general, scroll down to phone storage, whatever, or is it right here? And it just loads forever, and this just never loads, and then you close out settings, open back up, you're going to get that white glitch. So basically, what you have to do is a temporary fix, is just turn the device off, turn it back on. Obviously, you have to re-jailbreak. So, for me, I have the check range jailbreak, right here. So I have to basically go to my computer and then plug it back in, put my phone in my computer, and just, go through that process to get the check range jailbreak back on, because I turn off my device, turn back on. That's a temporary fix, and then you're good. But if you ever go back to your phone storage, it's going to happen again. So basically how to fix it permanently, also, in addition, how to not, never upgrade by accident. So you see, I go to settings, I go to general, software update, you see it's gone. So you can't update by accident, because you just can't update, it's not there. So basically what you're going to do is go over to Cydia, and then you're going to add this source right here, iChit repository. So add that source, you go into it, go to our packages, you guys can just search it up. Damn. Okay, so it's in the O's, so we can go to O, you see OTA disabler right here. So you also can search it up, so I'm going to go to search OTA, no spaces, disabler, and this is right here. So it supports iOS 9 up to iOS 14, and basically all this really does, I'm going to follow the steps. You will first delete the OTA data, so we'll go to your phone storage and settings like I was, and if you have OTA data there, delete it. Okay, that's like basically the update for like the Nets, for like the Nets update. That's like the data, the download for Nets update. So if you don't see it there and you double check, then you're good. But if it's there, delete it. And then yeah, so that's really it, guys. TVOS beta profile reboot is not required. So you don't even need the TVOS beta profile. That is also an alternative to use, but this works great. So like I said, delete that OTA data, and then that's really it. So it does work on iOS 14. That's really it, guys. So you see re-enable OTA updates. So yeah, so then basically when you guys go to your settings, you go to phone storage, you're fine. That white screen of death, that's also fits. And if you ever want to update in the future, obviously if you update, you're gonna get rid of your jailbreak, all that stuff. If you ever want to update in the future, then you just basically delete this tweak right here, go to modify, and then go to remove, and then after your device resprings, go to your settings, settings, and then general software update, and then you should see the update there, and then you can install the update. I recommend before you update it, just be safe. You actually remove your jailbreak completely, because if you update, when you start the jailbreak, it could like your Cydia, all that stuff's gonna be stuck there, okay, on your home screen. So if you don't like that, or you don't want it there, then definitely remove your jailbreak before updating. And also, it just causes less issues too. So yeah, that's how you guys fix that white screen of death. I know it sounds scary, but it's really not. It's just, I mean, when I first saw it, I'm like, oh my god, don't try to restore, or whatever. And I just did some like experimenting myself, and I easily just found a fix for it. So yeah, basically just in the future, if you guys want to fix stuff yourself, and you obviously have to experiment, and you're taking the risk of something breaking, etc. And you got to figure out what the problem is and what's causing it. So I knew it was like updating and the jailbreak. So I had a jailbreak. I'm not giving my jailbreak. So I was like, how can I basically fix that with the updating? And I know that this tweak removes the update. So I experimented. So I tried some things out. But that's how you guys fix it. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you next one.